Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This episode, what we're going to do is we're going to sand down the bumper that's already primed that we got. We're going to paint it in the performance white, and we're going to get it back on the car. Alright everyone, I know it's been a while, but here's what we've been doing in this cold, chilly November. We got the bumper all painted and everything and complete. The issue was, as we put the grill back on in between here, you can see there's tabs all along. You can see this dips a little bit. What I found was that aligns to this tab, which broke off. So we did get a couple of new, new pieces, and with that we found that there is also little other odds and ends that are damaged. For example, we found that the bumper reinforcements here, and I have to rivet these in. There's two spots there. Actually, I think it's these two. But the bumper reinforcement is broken on the other side, and then if you can see here, this is broken on the top, whereas over here we actually have the light bulb in. What you can do is you can rotate it, and somehow you do it, yep, and you get the light bulb out, but we don't even have that ability. It just kind of falls out with the other one. So I had to take this out with a very special tool, a butter knife, take these tabs out. We'll get the new one on, and we also found that our driving lights, so those go here, and then there's the reinforcement that comes in that keeps them in, and right here, this is the reinforcement. Like I said, this one's a little bit broken here, but this one I'm actually not that worried about because the rivet will still grab it for the most part, but the lights stay in on this way. These are our old lights, and well, you can see this is broken off here. There's nothing to attach it to. What you need is this. And what happens is this will go in. Let's see if I can do this with the camera. So go in back there. But essentially what happens is it, this might be backwards. Yeah, so on the other side it'll be like this. And what these two tabs do is they hold in, oh, there we go. It holds in the light. Because this is broken, we gotta get a new set of these too. And these are aftermarket ones. These aren't the originals that came with the Mustangs, which are all the amber color with the reflector and the like, I guess fog light, turn signal, driving light. I don't know which you refer to it, a parking light. So this is our new grill. You can see the pony grill on this side. I don't have it in, but that's what goes there. I will put the new driving lights, transfer these hardware over. However, an aftermarket part, here's the issue. These tabs don't line up correctly. These tabs also do not line up correctly. And guess what? These tabs do not line up correctly. So this part here is gonna have to go back. We're gonna have to get the right one and take it from there. All right, so what we're gonna do here is get, we drilled the rivets out of here. Now I've got to take two new rivets, put the bracket back here so we can stick this light in, and we should be done. because this isn't fitting here, not snugly, this is much harder plastic than this cheaper bumper replacement that we got. We're gonna take a heat gun, and we're gonna warm this up, soften up the plastic a little bit. Hopefully we can get the this harder trim piece in, and then hopefully be able to you know, get that in permanently and not look like garbage. So let's see if this works. Well, that seems to have worked. If we look over here, you can see this is actually sticking in. So what we're going to want to do now is let this cool, and hopefully it works.